Okay, Peter here again. We have here this is my emergency light detector circuit, power detector circuit. So it detects loss of power and then fires up the emergency lights, which are all homebrew LED strip emergency lights like that. See, and then there's a wall wart that's used for sensing. So in other words, if we lose power, the relay kicks on, and then we'll plug the wall wart back in, and the lights go back out again. So uses a 12-volt DC octal relay, do an octal relay socket, and works very well. It's been online for about 5 years now. There's the schematic for it. If you would like to have a schematic, copy the schematic, message me, and I can send a PDF of it. Not a lot to it. 3 transistors and an IC, and a few resistors, and etc., etc.